John Adler, California, on Info Warrior, investigating this high-rise. Been there several years. Looks like they're doing a very extensive renovation. It's part of my field investigation on construction sites. As I reported, almost all sites I checked are virtually all foreign Latinos. A lot of illegals, no hiring white and black Americans. I'm checking these guys out, and they're all Latino. It says it's called Matt Construction. It says it's called Mac Construction. Not really safe to keep this gate open either. You're supposed to keep it closed. You're not using it. And they're supposed to have a permit displayed, visible to the public on the fence. I don't see that anywhere. For some reason, a lot of residential units have it, but a lot don't. But for some reason, almost all of these commercial sites, I never see the permits displayed. That's kind of interesting. Well, hopefully Chinese don't own this one too. So they do have one female, of course, all Hispanic, speaking Spanish. Remember to subscribe and share. You can find me on BitChute, YouTube at John LA 7276. You can also check out my old channel, the U.S. Nationalist Report San Diego. And the other issue is I never see the government inspecting these sites. How you doing, sir? So that's the problem, guys. When people are allowed to constantly break the law, you get a criminal mentality in society. So I thought this was Barrington, but it says it's Stoner Avenue. So I'm at Stoner Avenue in Wilshire. So now I'm on the north side of the site. Be nice to know who's putting up all the money for this. I don't see him hiring any Americans. Remember, I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. But it's not just about partying, guys. We got to be out here in the trenches, defending our freedoms, our right to work. It's been taken away from us. No, and there's nothing on this. Usually they at least have the name of the business or the developer. I don't even see that on these fences. I saw that one sign that said Mac Construction, but nothing about the developer who's financing it. I'll have to double check, but yeah, I think that also breaks laws. We'll pass the 4-minute mark. We'll do a few more minutes of coverage here. Just interviewed a veteran, denied VA housing. I've been reporting on that. But the VA gets billions of dollars and not providing housing that it promised to veterans. I'm kind of surprised more young, like working class Americans aren't complaining about these construction trade jobs all going to the Latinos, the foreign Latinos. I think a lot of legal Latinos are losing work too. If this keeps up, I believe, once they weaken our society enough, I think the Chinese would come in and take over all the jobs, and then robots. So it's very serious. You got people speeding, no police giving them tickets. Got another one here. Hey, where can I apply for some work here? Are you working on this site, sir? Can I apply for work on this? I need work. Can I apply for work on here?
What?
I want to apply for a job on this construction site.
Oh, you gotta go online.
Online? What's the website? What's the name of the website, sir?
Huh?
What's the name of the website?
You gotta look at the name of the company.
What's it called? They don't have any sign up here.
It's on the other side.
You know the name? Oh, you don't know who you're working for? All right. Not having a good day, my man? HBA Incorporated? As long as you're here legal, dude, we're not going to have a problem. Have a nice day. So, not very friendly. You can see a lot of racist Latinos. That is sad, too. I mean, the guy could be legal. His English is all right. Most of them aren't. Usually got like a couple guys doing the, like, superintendent. They translate for the illegals, so their jobs are going, too. But it's sad if he's American and he hates white people that much, he won't even tell me the name of the company he works for. It's kind of sad, guys. That's where we're at. Well, you can see I'm not working with black or whites, but a lot of I don't think the illegals do it as much, but most of the illegals always throwing out the race card. And you can see they don't work with blacks and whites there, so you can see the proof goes. Alright, I think I'm going to do one more revolution around here. So yeah, they're getting all this money, and we got to pay more taxes to subsidize them. A lot of these guys don't work cheap either. That's kind of a misconception. A lot of them I talk to are making at least 30 to 50 an hour. And on top of that, they're getting free benefits. The street's called Stoner. Looks like some security guy. Sure to see a man with a suit around here unless there's security. See how big this building is. Multi-million-dollar project. So we want that money to go to Americans, not illegal aliens. It should be a no-brainer, but so congratulations to England for winning the World Cup. You know how I apply for a job on here? How do I apply for a job on here? How do I apply for a job on here?
You gonna post my job?
I said I want to apply for a job.
Oh.
Are you working on this site? You're not? Oh, you're not? You have anything to do with this?
I do deliveries.
Oh, okay. Sorry, man. What are you, DoorDash?
No.
Okay, have a good day, buddy. I thought the guy was working on here. Well, yeah, really rare to see a white guy with a job around here. Definitely a lot of anti-white discrimination. It is very rare to find a white guy with a job here. I just posted my interview with the guy from San Diego. He couldn't get a job being a white guy in San Diego, and now he's homeless up here. Alright, so I'll probably follow up sometime. Next one, I think I'm going to close this out.